I'm Derek Herman from Bear Valley Bikes and Speed Evolution. I had the opportunity today to ride the Stream bike. It's a pedal assist as well as throttle controlled bike. We practiced it with a whole bunch of different kinds of terrain and conditions. It was amazing. We actually, with the pedal assist, were able to ride it on the beach no problem. It has a little bit of a fatter tire, so it's better in more different conditions. It also has a Bluetooth feature that locks the battery as well as a manual locking system on the battery. And we really enjoyed the bike. I highly recommend that you go out and check one out.
Hi, I'm Alyssa Ringo, and I'm a pro mountain biker here in Southern California. And the Stream bike is a very versatile e-bike. I ride it in the mountains, on the trails over here in SoCal, also along the coast. It's very versatile. I can move easily in and out of people and crowds along the ocean.
We really had a good time riding up all these steep hills and riding off-road in the dirt. Really love the way it folds in half, and I can fit it in a real small place, take it on any trip I want to go on. And with this amazing bike, being able to keep riding it further than I would on my regular bike.